Welcome back to Forfarshire. We are done on this project, just in time for the holidays. So let's check out the progress and see how it all turned out. So you can see here, we opened up the floor plan completely. The last time you saw this, there was actually markings on the ground of where we were gonna put our island, and we were kind of talking through what that would look like. So now we're totally done. We've got our huge island, perfect kitchen for entertaining. We've got our focal point wall right as you walk in, so that's really nice and a great place for your eye to go. And of course, we did symmetry on either side, so perfectly balanced. And then over here, we've got our beautiful window. You can look out when you're at the sink, and it lets in some really nice natural light that wasn't here before. And again, we kind of opened up the space because previously this area was all enclosed. And so was the kitchen, which was in the front of the house, which is now the dining room area. So by opening everything up, moving the laundry room to the front of the house, now you come in from the garage, you're in the laundry room, and then you come into the kitchen. It just makes the space flow so much better than it did before. The homeowner decided to make this front area the dining room, which I think is great for a circular table. It works really well. And then this area over here is gonna be a little bit more formal living area. So they're in the process of furnishing that. And then they've got their huge family room in the back of the house. But you can see how well this space will entertain. You've got lots of seating area, plenty of room for these really large bar stools. You can really gather around this island, make it a great spot to entertain or have a party. Here's some before and afters. So this is a really great view of what we changed in this room. You can see from the old picture there used to be a duct that was running through the ceiling right here, and we eliminated a bookcase here to make this way more open with the rest of the space. It made a huge difference in the turnout of the project and how open it feels. I'm Hillary Stalder, your design forward contractor, and we'll see you on the next one.